Welcome back to Lightning Problem Solving, where you'll always get the latest info on manufacturing problem solving techniques. This video is everything you need to know on 5 whys. Let's get started. The idea of 5 whys is you repeatedly ask why 5 times until you get to the root cause. Why? It's kind of like the song about the old lady that swallowed a fly, only in reverse. Do you have kids? Or maybe you just remember this song. There was an old lady that swallowed a fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll die. American Idol in my future, anyone? Now you know why I'm an engineer, not a singer. But anyway, unfortunately, at the end of the song, the old lady died. It's time to ask our first question, why? Why did the old lady die? Well, we find out she died because she swallowed a horse. Now we'll ask why again. Why did she swallow a horse? She swallowed a horse to catch the cow. Why number 3? Why did she swallow the cow? To catch the goat, which was to catch the dog, to catch the cat, to catch the bird, to catch the spider that wiggled and wriggled and tickled inside her. So why did she swallow the spider? To catch the fly. Why did she swallow the fly? Nobody knows. We just asked why 9 times, not just 5 times, and we learned a lot of information that could be valuable to someone, but unfortunately this time we still don't have root cause. We're never going to know why she swallowed the fly in the first place. So we're never going to actually know the root cause of why she died, even after asking more than 5 whys. You might be wanting to ask, Tom, in your professional experience, how many times have you asked 5 whys to get to the root cause? That's a great question. Believe it or not, 0. So why are you still watching this video? Why you're really here is to learn how to ask the best questions to find the root cause lightning fast. Because asking why 5 times may or may not get you to the root cause right away. 5 whys is a good way to help people think about problems in a different view. Sometimes I even encourage people to ask 5 whys to help them think outside of their box. On a side note, there are 2 other ways to help people think about problems in a different view. A fishbone diagram and a cause and effect diagram. Leave a comment below if you guys want to hear my experience on those 2 in a different day. But anyway, back to 5 whys. Don't get me wrong. If somebody hands me a project and they've already done the 5 whys, I'm very happy to look at that information. But I've never had to ask the 5 whys myself. And part of the reason I've never done it is because I work projects that I know nothing about. I'm never the expert in the field. I'm the professional problem solver. Because lightning problem solving methods are so powerful that it actually helps when the problem solver has no previous knowledge about the problem. So how do you ask the right questions to solve a problem lightning fast? The whole point of problem solving is to find contrast. You always want to be comparing the good to the bad. When you find contrast, you can start forming questions using a question diagram. Here's an example of a question diagram that will help you find the root cause lightning fast. For example, if your problem is a leak, you find where the leak is. Here's a point 1, is it leaking or not? Point 2, point 3, point 4. The next question is, do you have some parts that leak and some parts that do not leak? And the next is, do you have different designs? Maybe one design leaks and one design does not leak. And finally, you might have different times or maybe different lines or different plants. Sometimes leak and sometimes do not leak. This diagram works for leaks, cracks, and gaps, pretty much every problem you'll have. After you have the question diagram, you start solving the problem by comparing the good stuff to the bad stuff. How about you? Has 5 whys helped you solve a problem quickly? I'd love to hear if it has. Tell me about it in the comments below. Because in my experience, smart managers are asking the inexperienced employees to do the 5 whys. But there are usually better questions to be asked if you want your problem solved yesterday. So what are you going to be looking for next time when you want your problem solved lightning fast? Well, you could try playing the old lady who swallowed a fly in reverse and maybe come up with the right answer after a few verses. Or, my recommendation, look for contrast. If this video has helped you at all, be sure to click like. And don't forget to click this little lightning logo to subscribe to my channel so you'll never miss out on the latest lightning problem solving tips. So if you have any issues that are huge and you need them solved quickly, get in touch. I'd love to help you. Until next time, happy problem solving!